Welcome to the Lava Lamp Lab. Today, we'll explore density and chemical reactions while making a cool DIY lava lamp. Grab your goggles and let's get started. A child wearing safety goggles and a lab coat excitedly waves to the camera, standing in a colorful science-themed workspace filled with bottles, beakers, and measuring tools. The camera zooms in as the child points to a table, set with the necessary ingredients. First, you'll need a clear bottle, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and fizzy tablets. The child picks up each item, placing them on the table, and smiles at the camera. The workspace is filled with labeled science ingredients, and the camera pans across the table, focusing on each item. Fill your bottle a quarter of the way with water, then top it off with vegetable oil. Watch as the oil floats above the water. That's density in action. The child pours water into the bottle, then carefully adds oil, observing the separation with fascination. The camera zooms in on the distinct layers in the bottle. Now, add a few drops of food coloring. It sinks through the oil and mixes with the water below. Cool, right? The child drops food coloring into the bottle and watches it sink, while the camera follows the drops as they pass through the oil and disperse into the water. Finally, break a fizzy tablet into pieces and drop one in. Watch as the bubbles carry the colored water up and down, creating a lava lamp effect. The child drops a fizzy tablet into the bottle and watches. The bubbles rise and fall with excitement. The camera focuses tightly on the bubbling lava effect, before panning to the child's amazed face. Here's the science. The oil and water don't mix because of their densities, and the fizzy tablet creates carbon dioxide gas, making the bubbles move. The child points to a whiteboard with a simple diagram explaining density and gas reactions. The setting remains in the lab, with the diagram and the bottle prominently displayed. The camera zooms in on the diagram, then back to the child. And there you have it, your DIY lava lamp. Try it at home and explore the wonders of science. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun experiments. The child holds up the finished lava lamp, waving goodbye with a big smile. The lab is bright and tidy with a subscribe for more poster in the background.